We generally start by choosing what we call a hero fabric. In this case, it's the beautiful painted garden. Hi, I'm Kira Cole. I'm the design team manager here at MacKenzie-Childs. I'm also one of 2 textiles designers.
My name is Maddie Tilling. I'm a designer at MacKenzie-Childs. Kira and I collaborated together on designs for the Spring 21 Painted Garden collection. We start with the textiles and a mood board, and that often inspires patterns that we come up with, one of which was this OG pattern.
We consulted with each other on a regular basis about which fabrics were moving forward in the finalized designs that I was working on, what patterns were moving forward in the decorated furniture that he was working on, and really tried to make sure that they married to be a very cohesive and complementary collection.
The OG pattern had an animation to it, a liveliness that really fit in with the story, and that was something that I thought would be great to incorporate into the furniture designs.
We chose this fabric because we were just so inspired by how happy it made us. We love to think of ourselves as artists. We are all artists, and life is our canvas, especially our homes, and we just love the idea of infusing our living rooms with this gorgeous artwork.
It's important to stay open to any and all ideas, because you don't know where inspiration is going to come from.
There are wild ideas happening here, which is so much fun. I really enjoy the process of figuring out how to make those wild ideas a reality. We really want our customers to remember that they're artists and their home is their canvas. Creativity really has no limits. There are lots and lots of ways to express that in your work and in the world, including if you're not a designer and you are creative in the way that you decorate your home, the way that you dress, the way that you write a letter. There are so many ways in this life to express creativity, and I just want to encourage everyone to find your creative side.